This is a brand new 2013 Scion TC. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. Its top features include a power moonroof, an 8-speaker stereo system, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a rear window defroster, a CD player, a passenger side vanity mirror, front side impact airbags, 4-wheel disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, 4-wheel independent suspension, and air conditioning. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.